Hello! Cleaning Oriental rug require a special skill. Not everybody can clean your Oriental rug like wall-to-wall carpet. It is not the same. Wall-to-wall carpet built in a different texture. The fiber, it twisted different. The rug cost $1, $2, $3 a square yard. This one costs $500 a square feet to make it. It's a big difference between two of them. This color, it's a vegetable dye. So it will be vivid, it will be glossy, light for many, many years to come. This is a Persian Oriental rug, a beautiful. Look how many colors and how they match beautifully. When you send your Oriental rug to be cleaned in the local Oriental rug cleaner, ask them first. How do you clean the rug? Can I watch the video on YouTube how you clean it? And if you will see they clean the Oriental rug by using a scrubber, run away. Don't let them do the cleaning because they will ruin the color. The blue will run to the white and the white will become bluish, and you don't want it. You want the color to be vivid and sharp. Now, if you own a dog or you own a cat or two of them, it's a different process to clean it because the dirt most likely is on the surface, like the traffic area, because you're walking on the rug and the dirt from your shoes stick on the top of the rug. So it's a different cleaning process. However, when you're having a pet at home, then the pee-pee travel, look how thick is this rug. This rug is approximately 1/2 inch to 3/4 inches. So look at this thickness. So all the pee-pee, it's basically here in the other side. So if this is the rug, the pee-pee, it's here. Where is the foundation? Where is the wool attached to the cotton? There is the urine crystal. To get rid of it, most of the carpet cleaner use a cleaning product that is called enzyme. Enzyme contain soap, contain detergent. The combination of the enzyme with the detergent, it will stay in the rug and will lead to unpleasant smell because the enzyme have a metallic, nasty smell. This smell, when you receive the rug, it's awful. So to cover this awful smell, most of the Oriental rug cleaner spray on the rug deodorizer. So you will smell a beautiful vanilla deodorize. 2 weeks later, the vanilla deodorize move to the atmosphere and you will stay with the aroma of pee-pee vanilla. But you pay to the Oriental rug cleaner to remove the urine odor, not to cover it. So when you send your Oriental rug to anybody to clean, ask them. Because you pay, you have the right to ask them. Do you guarantee in writing the removal of the urine odor completely? I don't want you to use deodorized enzyme to mask the urine odor. No. I want you to eliminate the urine odor completely. Don't use all these chemicals. I don't like it. And then you will get the right answer if you can receive the service that you're looking for. We at PetPeePee develop a cleaning product that it is odor-free completely. It's from the Dead Sea. And why? How I developed this cleaning product? I explained to you. I am originally, when I came from Israel, I was a wildlife photographer. I love nature, and especially birds. Nature, it means no chemicals. I hate chemicals. I hate deodorizing. I hate all of this perfume and all of the things. I don't like them. So I decide to invest and to build and to put together a cleaning product, then it is odor-free. It's meant upon delivery, you can put your nose on the rug like this. I'm in it. Whatever you want. Nothing. Because my cleaning product is odor-free. And because I clean the Oriental rug through the rug, all the cleaning coming from here and go from here. So it's wash all the rug thoroughly. Everything that's coming from here, go from here. And again, and again, and again, and again, for many, many times. Until the tube, it's clear. And when the tube is clear, this Oriental rug is free from the urine crystal that cause the bad odor. I invented a cleaning process. Then I simply say to the nature, thank you for giving me so much pleasure taking pictures and enjoy the wildlife. So the thank you to the nature is I'm cleaning Oriental rug with odor-free cleaning product, natural, healthy, and organic. My name is Mayor Martin. You're welcome to look at my artwork on mayormartin.com, the link below. The end of the video you can see one of my pictures. And if you like my video, you're welcome to subscribe. Thank you very much. Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee. Thank you.